The CM Solar Mission is a flagship initiative by the government of Meghalaya, implemented by the Meghalaya New and Renewable Energy Development Agency (MNREDA). Its goal is to make the state energy resilient and environmentally sustainable. CM Solar Mission is a program designed to be affordable and accessible. Small households only need to contribute 10% of the cost. The state government covers the rest, providing a 50-90% subsidy, with the remaining amount for larger systems covered by simple bank loans. To apply for the CM Solar Mission scheme, you can consult with MNREDA and submit your application through the district administration, or contact your nearest block development officer, BDO.
Hapdeng jing sokya halor ke jing rong bean yang ba ka jaka khaput ba ka jing penjari ka curfew ha kapor menmiet ka district East Khasi Hills. Umentri ka tanat an ke sarkar Meghalaya ba Lahkmen Rymbui ula kentu banong gi bapet ngor ngi pat ba gi dorbar Shnong. Ha ka bede ba ka jing penjari ka curfew ha kapor menmiet ka district magistrate ke East Khasi Hills ikong RM korba. Ile penjari ka curfew ha kapor menmiet na ka banta arbnai ka bantri kaman ka sina do kapor prabaje menmiet hadu unru baje men step. Bat kania kan long hapo 10 kilometer radius no zero line hag jaga kapot. Ya kania la lekat kum ka kanon an hapo ka section sispaan repulai jangka BNSS. La kangru e gajingiat bean bantmu ban jam shashiliang ka jaga kapot ka jingyalang jong sanmut nepalat ba ka jingket ikimar ki mata. Uba Lahkmen Rymbui ulong ba ka jingpet ngor gi brio ki bam I shngan ne ye kiwe ki brong bean ketika kamram jang sarkar ki pat ba ki dorbar Shnong kenang man pet ngor ban bentip marmar sha ki bor ki berikmi dan kanu ke jing isuba ula kedo ba ka Meghalaya ke dan saus pa sau puar kilometer uput usam bat kari Bangladesh bat palat ras pa kilometer uput usam hapdeng ki jela ba ka Assam bagi bebun ki benta ki long ki balat lan kum tau la kedo ki jing dan kam ban penon kam ki an ki beladan lupa kum ke autonomous district council ki an penyat kendo ke MRSSA bat kiwe ki an. Ulapan pau baga jing penkre ke Special Intensive Revision SIR jong ki electoral roll kalong keberan kamban penjisya bagi beliau kebasabe an kinam ya jaka Shong ha Meghalaya.
See, the Meghalaya is a paradise where everybody want to come and settle and do trade and do the different activities here in Meghalaya. So it is our duty as the state, our duty as a citizen, our duty as a local darbar to see that if any suspicious or illegal immigrant, we should report to the authority. So the way they have conducted the SAR, it is not. I have seen in the report. A newspaper report, I cannot confirm it. There is a reverse migration in the area of West Bengal, where the people from West Bengal they are going back to Bangladesh. How far is that? It is a newspaper report. I cannot confirm that, but sir is one of the thing which we need to see that the illegal migrant or the people from outside the state they should not take refuge in the state of Meghalaya. Having said that, it is not very easy to deal. We have a 442-kilometer border with Bangladesh, and many of the part is porous. And we have also more than 800 kilometers from the interstate border with Assam. So the people from outside will try to come to our state, but that's why the constant vigilance from the government. When I said government, that means all the law enforcing agency of the state, and then the village darbar and the local authority. They should be very, very, very vigilant, because what you tell that it is really a thing which we need to take care. So the state of Meghalaya trying its best to see that no illegal immigrant could be settled in Meghalaya. That's why we have so many regulation to prevent. We have the autonomous district council. We have the Land Transfer Act, we have the MRSSA, we have so the labor laws. So the only thing is that effective implementation, and number two is that the constant vigilance and the cooperation with the civil society and the state machinery. If all this present law is enough, we will not ask for ILP. We have seen that there is some shortcoming. That's why we ask. And it is our endeavor. That's why when we see that the government of India is mum on the ILP, we have passed also the amendment to emergency. But unfortunately, it's referred to president, honorable president, and I cannot comment on that. But that's why I said that we have to use all the rules and regulation which are in place. To we have to implement it effectively so that we could prevent as much as possible the uh, coming of infiltration, whether it is from other part of the country or from outside the country.